How to hide Amazon orders. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're gonna learn how you can hide orders on Amazon. So let's go on with the process on doing so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon and turn on the notification bells to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to do that, you just need to log in into Amazon.com and log in using your account. After you have successfully logged in into Amazon.com into your account, you'll be finding the option called returns or orders at the upper right corner. You can find that. Just click on it, and when you click on it, you'll be finding all of your orders that you've done in past months. So in order to cancel the order, you'll be finding your orders as I said. Here at the bottom left, you'll be finding the option called archive order. At the below, you can find that option. Just click on it, and when you click on it, you'll be finding this option here. Here you'll be finding all of your items that you've listed on the order list, and you can find this option called archive orders. Other than that, just click on this archive order, and here you can read the terms like you can archive up to 500 orders, and even though it will no longer appear in your orders, you can still view it in your archive orders from your account. Just click on archive order. After that, get over to your home page again, and after going to your home page, you'll be finding your account here. Just click on your account settings and you'll be finding order section here. Just head over to the order section, and under order section at the bottom you'll be finding this ordering and shopping preferences. So here you're going to look up for the option called archived orders, and there you'll be finding all of the orders that you have canceled. So that's how you basically look up into the archived orders in your Amazon. Follow the same process in order to look up for your orders as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.